So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and this is optimal physics for JE. So let's start with things in proper perspectives. So basically I'm gonna explore the concept of optimal physics worksheets. So basically if we consider physics as a subject, so there is a class 11 and class 12 as per the syllabus is concerned, and there is another foundation course on maths which is also called as mathematical tools, which is used in both class 11 and class 12 physics. And as it takes some time to cover the topics like differentiation, integration and vectors in mathematics of class 11th and 12th, so it is being separately told in the physics class itself, so that students have a working knowledge of the basic mathematics, the application level points, so that he can understand the physics going on. As you must be knowing that mathematics is the language of physics, so before studying anything you need to learn the language. So in the very same way, there is a foundational course on mathematics with the name mathematical tools, which is roughly of the duration of 2 to 3 weeks. So this is the syllabus for that. Now in class 11 we have two books, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is composed of 7 chapters, part 2 is also composed of 7 chapters. In part 1 we have mostly mechanics, and in part 2 we have heat, waves and oscillations. Whereas in class 12 there are also two books, book 1 and book 2. Book 1 is having 8 chapters basically on electromagnetism, and book 2 covers optics and modern physics, a total of 14 chapters. So at all we have 14 chapters from class 11th, 14 from class 12th, so there are a total of 28 chapters. Now there are three different cases or categories of preparation. The first is for schools, for NEET and for JEE Main. So as per schools are concerned, we have questions based on NCERT each line. So these are the questions on each line of NCERT. Then we have examples and exercise as given in NCERT. We shall be discussing all of these through the video lectures. Then for NEET, we shall add in addition to these the NEET PYQs and the extra worksheets. Similarly for JEE Main, the content will be school plus JEE Main PYQs plus some extra worksheets. And the main thing about all of these is that these are based on problem solving skills, as I shall be exploring in the later videos. And the consensus is that each chapter roughly comprises of 1200 questions. So you multiply 1200 into 28, so that sounds about 33,000 question in total as per NEET and JEE Main is concerned of the entire physics. So this is entire physics for you. Now the question arises, why optimal physics worksheets? What is the advantage of these? So